US-France tariff disputes on tech firms. US President Donald Trump and French President Emmanuel Macron have agreed to postpone an increase in the tariffs between the two countries. In July 2019, France imposed a 3% tax on digital revenue earned in the country by tech firms having sales of more than 750 million euros globally, or more than 250 25 million euro in France. American tech giants such as Google, Amazon, and Apple were hit by levies. In retaliation, the Trump administration threatened to place tariffs of up to 100% on US $2.5 billion of French imports, including wine, cheese, and lipstick. France has since buckled under the US pressure and agreed to postpone the enforcement of the tax. Efforts have been underway to find out ways to tax tech revenues, since tech companies often pay little tax in the countries in which they are not physically present, thanks to the older tax regimes. Policymakers across the world have had difficulties in taxing the US based giant who dominate their sectors internationally, but who often route their revenues and profits via low tax jurisdictions to reduce their liabilities. Apart from France and other countries such as Austria and Italy have introduced their plans to tax online sales and advertising revenues, Canada and the UK have also been exploring the possibilities to reform their policies. GAFA Tax. France has been pushing hard for a new so-called GAFA tax, named after the Google, Apple, Facebook, and Amazon, to ensure the global gains pay a fair share of taxes on their massive business operations in Europe. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, which groups major world economies, is working on a proposal for a new international schema that would regulate the taxation on the tech firms.